Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Getting ready to air fry some you know what. Chicken wings. Okay. I got a long pack of wings and I got a lot of hungry folks up here in here. Let me see. Okay. So I'm gonna wash these wings, then I'll show you when I cut the wing tip off. So I'll be back. Okay, let me see. I cut some of these. So I hold the wing like that. Get some good kitchen shears. Hold the wing like that. The wing tip, get right in that joint and cut it. I'm not going to cut the other section. I'm going to do it again. Hold the wing like that. Snap it. If you're having a hard time cutting it, then you're not in the joint. So just reposition your shears and cut. There's one. I think that's all. Okay. I'm going to rinse these off again. I put vinegar in here in this water. Now I'm going to rinse the vinegar off. That helps clean them. I don't always do it, but sometimes. Okay. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Rinse my wings. I dry them off. Okay, I'm going to season them. I'll be using some sweet basil, citrus, and garlic rub. Some pepper. And my yellow mustard. So this big thing here. What my honeys blessed me with. So I'm going to squirt the mustard on here. Let's see. Maybe 3 good squirts. Get this out of my way. Whenever you got a lot of seasonings mixed in a bottle, shake it up so you can distribute it evenly. So this is going on here. Even though the breading I'm going to use is seasoned, I'll season my meat and the pepper. Put a glove on. I took it out just now.
Oh, okay. Thought about it.
Okay. Now I'm going to massage the seasoning on all the wings and the mustard. Okay, I'll be using the Stan's chicken breading. This is the original, and I'm going to mix it with the Stan's hot chicken breading. And I buy this from Pete's Fresh Foods. And I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. And you can buy this at Amazon. I'll leave a link. It looks like this. The breading goes down in the bottom. You put the chicken in, it goes on here, and you put the lid on and shake it. So I'm going to put the the regular breading in first. And it's good, yeah. About that much. Then we put in some spicy. This is really, really spicy. So I cut it. I think I need a little more of the original. Okay. Put the lid on, hold it good, shake it. Rinse it nicely. Of course, you can use a brown paper bag or a Ziploc bag. Ooh, I smell the red pepper. I'm taking these out. Oh, I'm using my CruxGG 9-quart Trizone air fryer. So I'm taking these out. And I'm just going to put a rack in here. I bought this rack separately to fit in here. I just air fry my chicken. I didn't spray it. I'm going to spray this with some oil. I don't want nothing sticking. Okay. And then I'm going to spray the chicken. And yes, just because you use an air fryer don't mean you don't use any oil. I use oil. If you want your food to taste good and be right, you need some oil. Shake off the excess breading. Trying to see the best way to put it in here so I can put more wings. Because I don't want to do 2 batches. That's the reason you get a large air fryer, so you don't have to do 2 batches. Don't nobody want to be in the kitchen all day cooking. Take off the excess. So, okay, fit 12 wings. Okay. This is how the basket looks. I'm going to spray these wings liberally with some olive oil. I'm using my Evo oil sprayer. Now if these were naked wings, you wouldn't need to spray them because the skin makes its own oil. Turn it on, dual mode. Okay, see. Left side, air fry. I'm gonna put it for 450. And temp 20, these are big wings, 24 minutes. Now the right side, air fry, 450. 24 minutes. Okay, start. And I will be back, y'all. Always pull your air fryer out from the wall. So I'll be back. Okay. String in some potatoes. I'm done. Got the plates here. Someone want bread with the chicken. I got some coleslaw. Here's the hot sauce. And some chicken. I'm gonna put it on the platter and I'll be back. I'm gonna let it finish cooking after 20 seconds. Okay. It beeped. I don't know if y'all heard the beep. Put it off. Put it off. Plug it. Push it back. And I did flip my chicken this time. Sometimes I don't flip the wings, but I did this time. There's 12 wings. Big one. And this one fell by the wayside. It's okay, it tastes just like the others. It's stuck down here. I won't tear it up. Okay. It's easy to clean. Let it cool off. Here's my pile of wings, y'all. Look at that. Let me get a thumbnail. Here's my pile of wings. Okay, I'm gonna tell folks the food is ready. See how crispy? Yes, it's crispy. Okay, let's broke a piece of chicken. It's hot. Crispy skin. That's done. I got some Texas Pete hot sauce on it. My plate. So the strawberries taste. coleslaw. Sweet. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. 6:04 p.m. Okay, bon appetit. Bye.